Nucleophilic reagents or nucleophiles. Nucleophilic means nucleus loving. Nucleus is positively charged. Therefore, positively charged particle which loves by another particle, that is, they are negatively charged particle. That is, nucleus loving reagents or nucleophiles are those species which possess an affinity for positive charge. The nucleophiles are electron rich species and possess at least one lone pair of electron. Therefore, in chemical reactions, they attack at those centers which are deficient in electron. Nucleophilic reagents are the following type. 1. Negatively charged nucleophiles. The species having available electron pair and a negative charges act as a negatively charged nucleophile. For example, OH minus, OR minus, CN minus, H minus, Cl minus, Br minus, I minus, RCH2 minus, R2CH minus, R3C minus, RCO minus, etc. These species possess an available electron pair along with a negative charge. For example, OH, in that oxygen possesses two lone pair and this ion that is having a negative charge. RCH2 minus, that is having a lone pair. Cl minus having lone pair. 2. Neutral electrophiles. In some neutral molecules such as water, ROH, that is alcohol, ROR, ethers, NH3, RNH2, amines, etc. The heteroatom possesses one or more lone pair of electron. In water, oxygen possesses two lone pair. In alcohol, oxygen possesses two lone pair. In ether, oxygen possesses two lone pair. RNH2, amine, nitrogen possesses one lone pair. Ammonia, nitrogen possesses one lone pair. Such molecules are able to donate a lone pair of electrons to an electron deficient center and therefore act as nucleophiles. Thus, both negatively charged and neutral nucleophiles possess lone pair of electrons and can donate it to an electron deficient species. Therefore, in chemical reactions, they behave as Lewis bases, fill in the blank question, and attack the molecule at the site of lowest density. That completes that electrophiles and nucleophiles.